How to buy Solana NFTs, Phantom Wallet tutorial. Phantom is similar to Metatask for Solana in that it simplifies the use of DeFi and NFTs for everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to buy Solana NFTs using Phantom Wallet. Keep watching the video to find out all about it. The blockchain revolution guaranteed cryptocurrency investors of anonymity and secrecy. They assumed that this scientific algorithm would be strong enough to safeguard their transactions. However, even though transactions are recorded in the public domain, neither the sender nor the recipient nor even the amount moved is visible to other network members. Ethereum, the dominant blockchain network for crypto collectibles such as CryptoPunks and art blocks, dominated August's NFT comeback. However, a competitor developed among the billions of dollars in trade volume on Ethereum and the increasing transaction fees and congestion that accompanied it, Solana. Solana is considered one of the best platforms for NFTs. They are super efficient, quick, and offer a transparent and secure blockchain that delivers the required development needed for worldwide adoption. Furthermore, to allow efficient storage, which requires computer resources and other efficient features, the platform is made to have a sole vision: decentralizing the network. Solana Coin intends to serve as a link connecting the fiat and digital worlds, where the public's trust is crucial. The Solana or SOL coin benefits include a high-performance-oriented distributed identification system, distributed data sharing, and cooperation and distributed procedure protocols are among the Solana or SOL coin benefits. Developers, token holders, validators, and individuals who support the protocol can all find a home in the Solana crypto community, which is scattered globally. At Solana, community funding is the way of life. The network is still active on YouTube, Twitter, GitHub, and other social media platforms, with write-ups, articles, blogs, podcasts, and conversations. The price fell due to wide and broad trends based on technical research as well as historical data summary. But somehow, based on the movement, users have seen that Solana's price gradually increased in the mid of 2020, then in July 2020. Following that, the SOL's price to USD follows the flattish platform till the start of the year. SOL rose to the top of other crypto coin markets based on the historical data, technical analysis, as well as fundamentals for price projections. According to SOL price predictions for the previous year, the currency had reached approximately $4.40 at the end of January 2021. However, the currency has remained in the position with a price higher than $40 due to the huge and confident phase. You might already know Ethereum, the network infrastructure used to simulate banking activities without using any banks. Solana also offers a similar service, but at a lower cost, as well as with rapid transactions. On the other hand, such blockchain networks employ multiple crypto wallets due to their differences. Phantom is one of the finest wallets with the crypto token Solana. This wallet serves as your entry point into the world of Solana, which is also known as Ethereum Killer. The value of Solana's native SOL cryptocurrency skyrocketed in August and early September, albeit it's currently down due to this week's network outage. The increase of NFT collecting on SOL has been credited to the company's rise. In recent weeks, collections including Degenerate Ape Academy, Aurori, and SolPunks have generated hundreds of millions of dollars in trade volume on Solana. One Degenerate Ape sold for a huge amount just a few days back. The integration of some crypto wallets into the web browsers is a relatively recent notion pioneered for Ethereum by MetaMask. As an element of Web 3.0, Solana's answer to MetaMask is the Phantom Wallet. The trending Web 3.0 attempts to reconcile the decentralized aspect of Web 1.0, where there was a specific and single website for each individual and corporation and had the similar and current functions found in Web 2.0. For example, suppose you visit the ecosystem of Solana of numerous D-apps as well as the launching of the blockchain game known as Aliens vs. People. In that case, you'll notice an option to connect the Phantom Wallet in the right corner. This is what Web 3.0 is all about. You'll be able to easily shift all such benefits and collaterals related to the crypto world among the webs once you've connected the D app to your Phantom. For example, you can earn tokens by playing particular blockchain games, which you can then withdraw to the Phantom wallet. Then, using a dApp like Radium, you may swap such tokens for fiat money in US dollars. This is known as a decentralized exchange where tokens can be traded. The Phantom wallet now funds the mentioned currencies: USDT, Radium or RAY, SOL, and a few more, and any additional utility tokens that Solana's dApps launch. To buy Solana's NFTs, you'll need SOL, as you might have guessed it. No, you can't use MetaMask, the popular Ethereum wallet. Here's a quick rundown of creating a Solana wallet, loading it with SOL, and buying leading Solana's NFTs through Phantom. Making a Phantom wallet. As previously stated, your standard Ethereum wallet will not work to purchase Solana's NFTs. We've seen some unreliable tweets about individuals attempting to move SOL into MetaMask and other wallets, which would have gone wrong. In fact, that's one of the main reasons we're creating this fast guide. Simply download it from the Chrome Web Store and open it up in your browser. Phantom will provide you with a long phrase to write down or save somewhere in case you forget, and to get back to your wallet. After that, you'll need to create a password, confirm it, and then be in. The long phrase is the key to releasing your cash. Unfortunately, anyone can use this phrase, so keep it safe and don't give it to anyone you don't want to have access to your wallet. Buy some SOL. To buy NFTs in Solana-based marketplaces, you'll need SOL, and we will be mentioning a few ways and procedures to get a passive income with the Phantom network. One way is to buy Solana on a cryptocurrency exchange and transfer it to yourself. For example, if you live in the United States, you can buy SOL on Coinbase or FTX.US and transfer it to your safe place, which will take less than a minute. The network directly integrates with FTX cryptocurrency exchange, making it simple to stake funds. You can also send USDT stablecoins to your Phantom wallet, where you can subsequently trade them for SOL and other Solana-based tokens. Determining marketplaces. After you've set up your wallet and loaded it with SOL, you can use the wallet to buy a Solana-based NFT from any of the mentioned marketplaces. For example, Solana Art is a popular online store that consists of various NFTs from the Degenerative Ape Academy, Aurori, Soulpunks, and many more. But unlike the largest Ethereum marketplace, OpenSea, Solana Art is not an open market. Instead, it's a curated selection of collections, and NFT projects must apply to be included, so your purchasing options will be limited. Another option is Digital Eyes Market, where you may find Solana Monkey Business, the NFT line preferred by comedian and TV personality Steve Harvey. In addition, Degenerative Ape Academy, Fract, a fractal artwork series, and many other collections are available. Digital Eyes also have an application process for certified collection. This marketplace has a considerably larger selection of NFTs than Solana. Like OpenSea, Digital Eyes also has a section that is not specified where individual dealers can offer any NFT. If you want to continue trading using a different marketplace, follow the same procedure as you normally do to purchase, except that now you have to either accept or deny the transaction. For people who have experience in such matters, factors like this won't hamper much, and they will also notice how quickly the transactions take place and how cheap they are as well. Phantom also allows you to view your NFT collection within the wallet, which is convenient. Your wallet can also be utilized in the burgeoning realm of Solana-based decentralized finance or DeFi protocols such as Saber, Radium, Mango Markets, and NFTs. Just because the crypto coin Solana is a POS, the proof of stake blockchain, it secures the network through economic validators rather than miners, like Bitcoin does. As a result, locking in or staking the SOL funds provides a crucial service. In exchange, you earn benefits in the form of an interest rate. Just like taking a loan or depositing funds at a normal bank, this is the entirety of the working of decentralized blockchain networks. They reward and incentivize participation. It's simple to attain passive gains by staking SOL. You can just click on the Phantom's wallet SOL balance, then start gaining SOL. Next, choose a validator and a stake amount, then click the stake button to confirm your decision. You might also go for staking your own dApp tokens. For example, Aurori, the popular P2E play-to-earn metaverse game, offers a large return on Aurora token staking, ranging from 30 to 115% annual percentage rate, or APR for lock staking. But of course, the latter entails keeping your cash inaccessible to withdraw for a set time, so it pays out so much more. Solana's dApps are accessed through the Phantom wallet. You are safe if you have no experience using Ethereum with MetaMask before. The difference in transaction fees is significant. $0.00025 on each Solana transaction against hundreds of US dollars on Ethereum. As the Ethereum network completes the upgrade on ETH 2.0, the transaction fee is very likely to change. So whatever happens, the coin Solana is a well-funded token with a market capitalization of $55.7 billion US dollars, and a wide range of use cases given by its decentralized apps. Phantom is a popular and must-have wallet if you're into metaverses, cryptos, NFTs, and P2E. That's all for today. If you liked this video and want to see more videos like it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more.